Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse faster than you can say, "Can I get a refund?" Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. On my left, we've got the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS, a camera that promises superb image quality without the bulk of traditional DSLRs. And on my right, the Canon EOS R50, a lightweight wonder that's ready to take your Instagram game to the next level, if you can keep your cat from photobombing every shot. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The LUMIX G7KS is hanging out at a cool $697, which reviewers highlight as a fantastic value for its features. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS. While some users appreciate the sturdy build of the Canon, others note that if you're looking to save some cash for that next avocado toast, the LUMIX might be your best bet. Now onto image quality. The LUMIX G7KS claims to offer superb DSLM image quality without the bulk, earning praise for its impressive performance and handling from users. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 boasts a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and DIGIC-X processor, with users raving about the crisp image quality. Reviewers say that the Canon can take a picture so clear, you might just see your ex's bad haircut from 10 years ago. If you're a budding filmmaker or just want to capture your cat's latest antics in 4K, both cameras have got you covered. The LUMIX G7KS lets you pause and save 4K photos, which many reviewers find stellar for capturing moments. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 offers uncropped 4K movies and high frame rate filming. Users describe it as having mini Hollywood capabilities in your pocket, perfect for capturing those spontaneous moments. Let's get into autofocus. The LUMIX G7KS features fast and precise autofocus with face and eye detection, which reviewers adore for selfies. On the flip side, the Canon EOS R50 has dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 651 AF zones. Users appreciate how it can track people, animals, and vehicles like a dog on a scent trail, making it a favorite for dynamic shots. For those of you who love to get creative, the LUMIX G7KS comes with integrated Wi-Fi sharing, allowing users to upload their masterpieces quickly. The Canon EOS R50 also has built-in flash and advanced auto modes, making it easy for beginners to take great shots even in challenging lighting. Reviewers appreciate both cameras for their user-friendly features that cater to creative expression. Overall, the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS is highly recommended for its fantastic value, impressive image quality, and stellar video capabilities, despite some minor drawbacks like the plastic build. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 is praised for its lightweight design and excellent video quality, making it a great choice for beginners, though some users mention the need for better battery life and lens options. So which camera should you pick? If you want a lightweight camera that's got the skills to pay the bills, the Canon EOS R50 might be your go-to. But if you're looking to save some cash and still get fantastic image quality, the LUMIX G7KS is a strong contender. Remember, both cameras will make you look like a pro. Just try not to confuse the buttons when you're trying to take a picture of your food. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart and snapping those pics, just maybe not of your dinner every night. Product links are in the description.